The Tesla Model S is an all-electric luxury car. It's available in several different configurations. Our Model S has the long-range battery pack. It has a range of up to 373 miles on a full charge. The Model S is incredibly fast. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. The interior is modern and minimalistic. There are no traditional gauges or dials. All the car's functions are displayed on a large touchscreen. The Model S has impressive handling for a car of its size. The ride is smooth and comfortable. The long-range battery pack can be charged at a supercharger station. It can add up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. The Model S comes with Autopilot, a suite of advanced safety features. Autopilot can handle acceleration, braking, and steering on highways. The car can even change lanes on its own. The Model S has a feature called Summon that can autonomously park the car. Model S owners receive over-the-air software updates regularly. These updates can improve the car's performance or even add new features. Tesla has garnered a reputation for excellent customer service. The Model S is not only a great car but also a status symbol. The car's sleek design turns heads on the road. The Model S can be expensive, but it's packed with features. Drivers who prioritize luxury and performance will love the Model S. It has no direct competitors in the electric car market. The closest gas-powered rivals are the BMW 7 Series and Mercedes S-Class. Those cars lack the Model S's reliability and minimalism. The car's limited charging infrastructure may deter some buyers. But Tesla is rapidly building more supercharger stations around the world. In summary, the Tesla Model S is a game changer. It's fast, luxurious, and groundbreaking. The company's commitment to sustainable energy is admirable. The Model S is not just a car, it's a lifestyle.